Hey friends, if you wish to reset Windows security settings to default values in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. It was a very long procedure. Earlier, you would have to use a PowerShell command, a command prompt command, or a registry editor fix, but now it's very easy. Search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and click on app settings, and then scroll down, click on terminate, click on repair if you wish to repair it, and you can always reset it using the reset button. That's how simple it is these days. Obviously you cannot uninstall the Windows security app, but you can reset it to default settings and then open it, and you will notice that all the settings are back to default. Firewall ones, virus and threat protection ones, everything is back to default. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.